We're at Vision for Life with Dr. Jeff Horn, where we're learning all about restoring more than just your sight.
The most common thing that happens as we age is our lens inside of our eye gets cloudy, and that's what a cataract is, and all I have to do is remove that lens and put a new lens in, which takes literally about 5 minutes. What really impresses me the most is when I listen to people describe how this changed their life. When they say, this is the best thing I've ever done. When they start saying, I can see my grandkids now. There's so many different options that are available to the people that come and ask. And all they need to do is come in and I'll tell them what I can do to get them to see better, whether they're 18 years old or 80 years old. All you need is to want to see better, and you don't need to know anything else. Come in and I will take the time it takes to explain it to you, and you can decide whether that sounds like something you would like to do. At the end of the day, when people are done with it, they come back and they say, oh my God, that was so easy. Why didn't I do this sooner? And that is the one thing we hear over and over and over. If that person who's been sitting on the fence has decided they want to own their vision and not rent it like you do with glasses or contacts, call 615-800-2020, or of course we're on the web, visionforlife.com.